Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming eligibility. You need 1,000 subs and 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months. Next, verify your channel and enable two-step verification so you can link AdSense securely. Once done, set up your public-facing assets, channel art, consistent upload defaults, and playlists to increase session time. Make sure channel keywords and description reflect your niche. This helps discoverability. Begin publishing with a simple schedule. Now, once you meet thresholds, apply to the YouTube Partner Program and carefully follow monetization policies. Policy strikes block revenue. While waiting, optimize every video. Craft a strong thumbnail and title, add chapters and end screens, and keep a 16:9 aspect ratio for consistency. Make sure you mix formats, shorts, long-form, premieres, and collaborate to expose your channel to new audiences. These steps improve watch time and click-through rate, which are central to approval and long-term revenue. When accepted, enable ads and select formats, skippable, non-skippable display, and turn on memberships, super chat, and merch shelves where eligible to diversify income. Use YouTube Analytics every week to monitor RPM, CPM, watch time, and which videos drive subscribers so you can double down on winning formats. If your application is rejected, address the specific policy issues cited, edit, or remove flagged content, and resubmit after 30 days. A key troubleshooting tip: focus first on policy compliance, then on improving viewer retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.